Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today in my 2-minute tips I just want to give you an alternative to a grow light station. Most of the time we get 4-foot shelves, which these are not, depth long enough or deep enough to hold a whole flat, which these are not. Some people have a south-facing window but need more light. They're not growing a lot of transplants. Do you really have to set up a full station with 4-foot lights growing this way, 2 deep in lights, 2 deep in lights? And the answer is no. You can hang your LED lights. You want to do them with LED lights because they're cool. They're not going to melt the plastic. If you're concerned about heat, don't do this, melting the plastic, or get metal shelves. But the best thing to do is to turn them on and then to let them just stay on for an hour, and you can monitor. But these have been on. I can touch them. They're not hot. They're not going to melt the plastic. Now for something like this, you want white LED lights. We're only growing transplants. And I just wanted to show you the setup too. Extension cords go right in there, and the 4-foot LED light just goes along the side. I'm using the chains it came with. Just hook the chain in there, straight up to here. You don't want it on an angle or it's going to twist. And I just take it across and hook it right there. And that gives me 3 rows of coverage, enough light to manage larger plants that just don't need as much indoor lighting. And they are 5,000 lumens. You want the brighter lumens, and this is daylight. This is about 5100 Kelvin or higher. The lights were only $17 at Walmart, so this is a great alternative to setting up a grow light station in combination with a window, south-facing window, and you can save some money. Now for seed starting, it'd be a little bit hard. You don't want your plants to get leggy. So if you're seed starting a whole flat, maybe they're not growing stocky like they should. That means they're just growing too fast because they don't have enough light. You can start your 6-pack of cells closer to the light, combination of different things, but this is just an alternative to the standard way we set up grow lights. How I'm using this really is to take my larger plants, as you can see, so when they're seed started under the lights that sit 2 inches close to them, they grow. I bring them over here, they get light, they're good to go. When plants are bigger, they don't need as much light. That's why I'm not worried about this. But this just gives me a ton of room for my larger plants. And you can see right in here, I have a tomato growing. You don't have to worry about colored lights, par value, all that kind of stuff. For transplants, you just need a high lumens value, in this case 5,000 lumens. You want daylight, 5100 Kelvin or more. Hope this gives you some ideas of how you can change up your grow room. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.